Is that the lid? That's the lid. Those are your shoes. Do you like them? Good girl. Oh, you know what I'm doing? What am I doing? Oh, pretty shoes. You're going to put your new shoes in your mouth? Yeah. All right.